Now look at the screen. Last class, what we discussed?
Salesforce environment.
I think last class we discussed about versions of Salesforce.
Salesforce
Versions of
environment.
Salesforce.
Admin.
Lots of environments of Salesforce. Sir, no.
Yes.
Today I'm going to start with what here? The MVC architecture or MVC pattern, and also how to create an account in Salesforce. So these are the two topics I'm going to discuss in today's class. So what is today's date? 1, 3. Guys, will you come tomorrow?
No.
Why? Because tomorrow is a festival.
Yeah.
Telugu New Year. Radhi. Guys, will you come tomorrow or not?
No. Shall we connect on Thursday, please?
No problem. It's all depending on your decision making.
Yeah,
Don't
tomorrow.
want to take the class, I don't want. Otherwise, I will take the class. Come on. What about the rest of the people?
Everything is okay for me.
Sorry, come again.
It doesn't matter for me, sir.
We can connect tomorrow as well. Not an issue.
Yeah, we can
Yeah,
attend
I can.
1
Yeah,
hour.
even I can attend the class.
Yeah.
For 1 hour, it is possible, I think, for all of us.
Yeah.
So if you want me to take, I will take. Otherwise, I will take the class on Monday. Okay. He'll come tomorrow, guys.
Yes, sir.
Sriram, can hear me? Sriram can hear me.
Yes.
We can develop all mobile applications also.
Okay. Mobile and web also both can
Everything.
develop.
By default, it is web only.
By default and Android applications also is it possible?
Android means mobile application. Mobile applications also possible.
Yes. Okay, thank you.
Okay. So let me start with MVC architecture or MVC pattern here. Does anyone know what is MVC stands for? MVC stands for model, view, and controller. Model, view, and controller. I can say a three-tier architecture. Or I can say it's a 3-layer. Top layer can be called as view. The middle layer can be called as controller. And the bottom layer can be called as model. View layer can be called as, presentation layer. Controller can be called as business logic layer. And model can be called as database layer. Presentation layer, business logic layer, and database layer. This is the first one. This is the second one. And this is the third one. End user always sits end user always sits in front of the view. This view can also be called as UI. Does anyone know what is UI stands for? User interface, where end user can sit and perform the operations. I can say it's a front-end screen. Understand all of you?
Yes.
Okay, for your better understanding, I'm giving a simple example. I have the account in HDFC Bank. Suppose I want to withdraw some amount. So I went to ATM counter. I am standing in front of the ATM counter. Tell me, in the ATM, I can get some screens, yes or no? Each screen have some options, correct or not?
Mhm.
Tell me, in the first screen, language selection. English, Telugu, Hindi, yes or no? If I selected English, it takes me to second screen. In that screen, I have to enter my PIN number. After entering the PIN number, I have to select the option. Okay, cash withdrawal, cash deposit. Okay, fast cash. So these are the options I can see. I have to click on what? Cash withdrawal. After that, I have to enter my amount. Clear all of you? Like that, I'm getting some screens here. Each screen has its own options. Am I correct or not? Hello?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Screens, we can call it as what? UI. UI stands for, come on, user interface.
User interface.
Now tell me, one simple question I'm asking here. The moment I joined in the HDFC Bank, I opened an account in HDFC Bank. Is bank people maintain my details in the database or not?
Yes.
Yes.
Or no?
Yes.
Yes.
All these customer details, they stores into customer table or customer database, whatever it is. In this, we have account number, account holder name, balance, account type, okay, and current, account opening date. So these are the fields are there. Now tell me, my account number is, let us assume 10155. Account holder name is Sai On. Balance may be 50,000. Account type may be savings account. Okay, guys. Suppose I withdraw 10,000 rupees. I am going to the ATM counter. I am trying to withdraw how much? 10,000. So automatically 50,000 converted into how much?
40.
40,000. Yes or no? Now
Yes.
tell me one simple question I'm asking. Bank point of view or application point of view, who am I?
Customer, user.
I'm the end user.
User.
As an end user, I am sitting or I'm standing in front of what?
18.
UI.
ATM. UI screen. Yes or no? And I'm
Yes.
trying to perform which operation here?
Withdraw.
Withdraw. So 10,000 rupees I withdraw from my account. Automatically my balance changes as what? 40,000. Earlier I have 50,000. I will be showing how much? 40,000. Now tell me as end user, which operation I'm performing? Come on. As end user, as a customer, which operation I performed here?
View.
Someone need to mute, guys. I'm getting some noise from your side.
Business logic.
Aishwarya, please mute. Aishwarya, thank you. Indirectly, I'm performing 50,000 changed as how much?
40,000.
40,000. Indirectly, I'm changing the balance field or not? Oh, okay. Yes or no?
Business logic.
Yeah, that is what edit operation performed. 50,000 changed as what? 40,000. Correct or not?
Yes.
Okay. So this edit operation, database point of view, I'm performing indirectly operation here, update operation. Edit means update. Clear all of you? Hello.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Do you
Yes,
understand
sir.
what I'm speaking here?
Mhm.
Good. Suppose I deposit the amount. Suppose instead of withdraw, in case of a deposit, already 50,000 balance is there. I deposit 10,000 rupees in the ATM counter. Now tell me, it becomes how much?
Okay.
60,000.
50,000. Tell me, which operation I performed here?
Edit.
Again, edit operation. So either withdraw or deposit. Okay, finally, I'm performing what operation here? Edit
Edit.
operation. Edit operation indirectly means update operation. Am I updating the value or not under balance field? Yes or no?
Mhm.
Okay. Now tell me one simple question I'm asking here. I'm checking my balance. I want to check my balance. According to ATM point of view, I'm checking a balance. But according to application point of view, checking balance is nothing but, come on,
View.
I'm fetching the data. Yes or no? View. That is called what operation here? Select operation. And all of you?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Sir.
Select operation. Select means fetching the data. Okay. Suppose I'm going to US. That is why I want to cancel my account from this bank. I want to cancel my account. Tell me which operation I'm going to perform.
Delete.
Delete operation. Suppose I want to open a new account in HDFC Bank.
Insert.
What operation I'm performing? Insert operation.
Insert.
So as end user, I'm performing how many operations here? Update operation, select operation, delete operation, and what?
Insert.
Insert. So this insert operation can also be called as create. In create, what is the first letter?
C.
Table name.
In C. What is the first letter here? C. I'm checking the balance. I'm fetching the data from the view. I'm reading the data. This is called what? Read operation. In read, what is the first letter?
R.
R. And in update, what is the first letter?
View.
Okay. In delete, what is the first letter?
D.
D. Ultimately, end user performs what operations here? CRUD
CRUD
operation.
operation.
CRUD operations. CRUD means what? Come on, guys. CRUD
Create.
means insert, create. R means read. That is nothing but select. U means update. D means what? Delete.
Delete.
In short, we can call it as what? CRUD. Everybody speak out in the class. What is CRUD stands for?
Create.
Create.
Update.
Read.
And delete.
Update.
Read,
And delete.
Delete.
update and delete. U means update.
Delete.
D means delete. These are the four operations. These are the four operations are mainly performed by whom here? Come on,
End
guys.
user.
End user.
User.
End user ultimately performs only these four operations.
Okay.
Point clear? Whatever operations he performed on user interface, on front-end screen, on presentation layer, or on view, these operations finally affected on what? Database. So database layer can be called as model. And what is the middle one here?
Yes.
Control.
Controller.
You
Controller can be called as what? Business logic layer.
Business logic layer.
One simple question I'm asking, after putting my card into the ATM counter, it is asking about what? Come on. PIN
PIN.
number.
Pin.
Pin number.
Tell me, suppose my PIN number is 9999. Okay. But I'm entering what? 0000. Tell me, is my PIN number is correct or wrong?
No.
Wrong.
Wrong.
Who will check whether my PIN number is correct or wrong? Who will check this PIN number?
Control.
Logic you have to write in business logic.
Business logic.
Program you have to write in control department. Yes or no? If my PIN number is correct, then only end user can perform either withdraw operation or deposit operation. PIN number is incorrect. End user can't perform any operation. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. So who will check whether the PIN number is wrong or correct?
JavaScript.
Control program. That we have to write in the programming. So whatever operations end user performs here, that operation is going to check whether that is correct or wrong. If it is correct, and finally affect on what? Database. If it is not correct, you can return back to end user. So total how many layers here? Come on, guys.
3.
3 layers.
3.
What is the first layer?
View.
View.
View. Second layer.
Controller.
Controller.
Third layer.
Model.
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 For your better understanding, I'm giving a simple example. Actually, MVC architecture is a common phenomenon. It is not only related to Salesforce. Almost every technology, you take Java, you take .NET, you take Python, you take ABAP, you take any programming language, almost any technology follows this MVC architecture, not only Salesforce. A common phenomena, guys. For example, for your understanding, I'm giving a simple example. Email application also developed on MVC architecture. What is this? Gmail application also developed on what? MVC architecture.
MVC.
I'm comparing MVC architecture with Gmail application. One simple question I'm asking. If you open your Gmail application or Gmail, do we have inbox?
Yes. Yes.
We have inbox or not?
Yes.
Your inbox contains what?
Email.
Inbox contains all the mails. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah.
All mails. Okay, all mails means current mails and also old mails, past mails. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Suppose maybe Vijaya, okay, sent one document to me. Understand? This document, it's a Word document, it contains 10 pages. How many pages?
10 pages.
10 pages. 10 pages document she sent me, and it is available in my inbox. Okay. And I open inbox, and I open the Vijaya's mail, and it contains 10 pages document. Tell me, can I see all 10 pages document content at a time?
No.
Yes.
I cannot see all 10 pages document content at a time. Yes or no?
Yes.
No.
Okay. I can see only the first page first.
Yeah.
Okay. First page. After completion of first page content, I want to go to next page. What I have to do? If you want to go to second page, what I have to do? I
You
have to click
press
on the
the
scroll
next
down.
button.
Scroll down
Yeah.
button. Yes or no? If I
Yes.
click on scroll down button, I can move into next page. Correct or not?
Yes.
Okay. Now tell me, what are content I'm seeing right now? I'm reading right now. This is my, come on.
View.
What are content at present I'm seeing? That is my view. Okay. If I want to go to the next page, or if you want to go to next mail or previous mail, okay, you have to go to scroll down or scroll up, or you have to click on previous, or we have to click on what button? Next button. So scroll down, scroll up, previous buttons, next buttons. These are all of my
Business logic layer.
controllers of my page. Yes or no?
Yes.
On. Am I correct or not?
Control of my application.
Read all of you. And whatever
Yeah.
content I have, all mails, old mails, present mails, history, past mails, everything. This is my, come on, what is this?
Model.
Model. So your inbox is a database layer. Okay. What the content, what you are seeing, that is your view. This is your model. Inbox is a model. The content, whatever you are seeing, that is called view. Scroll down, scroll up, previous button, next buttons, these are all what?
Controller of my application.
Controllers.
Now all of you understand the comparison between MVC architecture and Gmail application?
Mm-hmm.
Yes or no? Now
Yes,
tell
sir.
me,
Yes.
tell me model is equivalent to what?
Database layer.
Inbox.
Inbox, yes or no?
Yeah.
That is database. View means the content what you
Screen
are
we are
seeing.
seeing.
That is my view. Controller.
That
What are
scroll
controls?
down.
Scroll
Scroll
down,
down on
scroll up,
previous button.
scroll down,
The actions will
scroll up.
take.
Next. Yes.
Previous.
These are all what? The control.
Control.
Now all of you understand the comparison between the MVC architecture and Gmail application. Hello guys.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everyone in the class. Aishwarya,
Yes.
Revat,
Yes, sir.
Prashant, Vijaya,
Yes, sir.
everyone in the class.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Abhishek, Ayaj, Lokesh, Mohammed, Kamran,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Nini, Sriram, Tamaya, everyone in the class. Vijay Lakshmi. Good. Fine guys. But with respect to Salesforce, with respect to Salesforce, what is view contains, what is controller contains, what model contains. These are the topics I'm going to discuss. First, go to the bottom layer. What is the bottom layer here?
Model.
Aishwarya, model. What is the
Model.
middle layer?
Control.
Controller.
What is the top layer?
View.
View.
So I'm start with bottom layer here. Model, it's a database layer, of course. This layer contains two sections. The first section can be called as
Instance.
second section can be called as what? Instance. Understand? First section is what? Schema. Second section is what?
Instance.
Yes.
Schema. Schema contains your applications, apps,
Tabs.
tabs,
Object.
S object, not subject. S object. S object stands for Salesforce object.
Yes.
S object. I'll tell you what is S object means. Apps, tabs, S objects.
Field record.
Relationships. What is this? Relationships. We have in Salesforce, we have 6 types of relationships. How many?
Steps.
Types of relationships. One is self relationship,
Lookup relationship.
lookup relationship,
Master data relationship.
Database.
master detail relationship,
Many to many.
many to many,
Hierarchical and
hierarchical,
Roll up.
roll up summary. Total how many? 6 types of relationships. Understand all of you?
Mm-hmm.
Guys, can hear me?
yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Good. After relationships, we have something like what?
Validation.
Validation rules. We have 2 types of validations here. Standard validations
Custom validation.
and custom validations. After validations, we need to discuss about field dependency. Or it can also be called as what? Picklist dependency. After field dependency, we will discuss about something like what? page layouts, record types, cross-object formula fields, track field history, global pick list. Understand all of you?
Mhm.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
All these topics are comes under what?
Schema.
Schema part. Understand all of you? Hello.
Yes, sir.
What is the second one here? Instance. This
Yes.
instance can be called as data and dot records. So model,
Mhm.
the combination of two things. What is this?
Schema.
Schema plus.
Instant.
Read all of you. So schema part means schema topics. Instance part, both we will discuss at the time of what? Configuration.
Configuration.
Tell me all of you. One simple question I'm asking. How many modules I'm going to discuss in your syllabus?
6.
Huh?
6 models, sir.
Out of 6 modules, what is the first module?
Configuration, administration, CRM.
The first module is configuration. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Development, lighting, and last one like
Here.
yes.
Okay. First module is what here? Configuration. Yes or no?
Configuration.
So in configuration, we are going to discuss about all these topics. All these topics I will cover in where?
Configuration.
Configuration.
Okay. Configuration part I'm going to start from tomorrow. Understand everyone in the class?
Okay.
Yeah.
Good. So this is the first one. Second one. Controller. This is what? Come on.
Business
Business
logic.
logic. Here we are going to discuss in there. Understand all of you?
Mhm.
Language.
Apex.
Is all of you had your breakfast?
Yes, sir.
Speak loudly. Be energetic in the class, all of you.
Sure, sir.
Don't be lazy, okay? So business logic layer. Here we are going to discuss about programming language called what? Apex. Understand?
Yes.
Mhm.
In controller, we are going to discuss about OOPS topic. What does OOPS stands for? Object-oriented programming.
language.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Language. After that, we will discuss about something like what? Assertions. Annotations.
Annotations.
Database concepts like SOQL. SOQL stands for Salesforce Object
Objective.
Query Language. SOSL stands for Salesforce Object Search Language. And also DML commands. That is insert, update. All these topics will cover in their database concepts. After database concepts, we'll discuss about something like what? Come on.
Collections.
Collections. Here we are going to discuss about 3 predefined classes. That is, list class, set class, and what guys?
Map class.
Mappings. List class, set class, and mappings. After collections, we will discuss about controllers. We have 6 types of controllers. That is standard controller,
Custom.
custom controller, standard list controller, custom list controller, standard set controller, extension controller. Understand
Yes.
what I asked? Any doubts? I asked.
Yeah, sir. By mistake, sir. Please button. Sorry.
Controllers. After controllers, we will discuss about interfaces. After interface, we will discuss about schedule effects, batch effects, triggers. Guys, all these topics we are going to cover in where? Controller part.
Configuration. Mhm.
Controller, not configuration.
Okay. Okay.
Understand?
Mhm.
Text language.
Yes.
All this cover in development part. What?
It's development.
Development.
Sir, what about integration?
Sorry?
What about integrations?
Integration comes under after development only. The advanced development, I can say. Okay.
Okay.
The development part, all this. And after that, the third one is called, you. This is what?
Interface.
Interface or presentation.
Presentation layer.
Here we are going to use one of the language name is called what?
Visual Force.
Visual Force.
It's a markup language, guys. Is anyone know about HTML?
Yes, sir.
Just like HTML, Salesforce given one of the markup language. That language name is called what?
Visual Force. Okay.
Visual Force.
Visual Force.
Clear all of you? So I can say all these comes under, including view also comes under what?
Development.
Development. Everyone understand? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Hello. Yes, sir.
So once again, I'm going to recap all the points. Listen
Yes.
carefully.
Hmm.
In model database layer, we have 2 sections, schema and what? Instance. In schema part, we are going to discuss about all these topics like apps, tabs, subjects, fields, relationships, validation rules, field dependency, page layouts, record types, cross-object formula fields, track field history, and global pictures. And data and records both comes under instance part. So learning model means what? You're indirectly learning what? Configuration. Understand all of you?
Yes.
Okay. After completion of configuration, we will enter into second module. Second module,
Development.
development. In development, what is the programming language you are using?
Apex.
In Apex, what are the topics you are going to cover?
Hooks, assertions,
Hooks.
annotations.
The sessions, annotations,
Annotation.
database
database
concepts,
concepts,
collections, controllers, interfaces, schedule apex, batch apex, and what?
triggers.
On triggers. Listen careful, all of you. Interview point of view, I'm talking. Interview point of view, you have to concentrate more on these topics. From controllers to trigger. Every topic, total 5 topics, guys. All these 5 topics are very, very important as far as interview point of view is concerned.
Mhm.
Clear, all of you?
Yeah.
You will face many questions from these topics only, from these 5 topics. Clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Clear.
I can say development part is a vast topic. It takes near about 45 days time to complete. Understand?
Mhm.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And whereas the configuration part max to maximum, I can say 8 days, 8 working days. Understand, all of you? 45 plus 8, how many days?
50
50 days. Yes or no? After that, we will enter into what?
View.
Come on.
integration.
The advanced development part. In integration, we are going to discuss about, okay, REST API. Bulk API. Scope API.
Yeah.
So integration takes near about 10 days. All of you understand? Not 10 days, maximum 5 days. Whole integration part. So 5 plus 45, 50, 58 days. After that, after integration, I'm going to discuss about what? Come on,
Administration.
Administration.
administration. Yesterday, I already told you what are the topics I'm going to cover in administration.
Yes.
So these are the topics I'm going to cover.
Admin profile,
Same responsibilities.
roles and responsibilities.
Up to this. We are going to cover admin part. Fine. Near about 8 days. How many days? Come on, guys.
8.
8 days.
8 days configuration. Development 45 days. 45 plus 5, 53. 53 plus 5. How many days?
8.
50.
Admin topic approximately 10 days. Eight plus 10. How many days? 68 days.
8.
70 days. And ERM topic is the 5th module. It takes near about 8 days. And after that, I'm going to discuss about what? Lightning part takes near about 8 days. Understand, all of you?
Yeah.
Hello.
Yes.
Yes.
Sir.
Configuration, how many days? 8 days.
8 days.
Development,
Development 45.
45 days. Then after integration,
5.
5 days. Then after integration, admin,
Admin
Admin.
15 days.
ERM,
15 days.
8 days.
8 days.
Lightning
lightning,
15 days.
15 days.
15 plus 15, 30. 30 plus 5, 35, 40, 40 plus 40, 80 days. Okay, 80 plus 96.
96.
96.
96 working days, guys. Hello.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Very lengthy topic. Understand all of you?
Mhm.
Okay. From tomorrow onwards. So tomorrow, new year, I'm going to start the first module of your syllabus. What is this? Come on.
Configuration.
Configuration.
Understand everyone?
Yes.
What is tomorrow's date? 22nd. Huh?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. By this month ending, I'll complete your configuration part. Understand?
Mhm. Okay,
Hello.
sir.
So
Yes,
from
sir.
tomorrow, it is a real-time training.
The actual topic is going to start from tomorrow. Demo sessions are completed.
Okay.
Because last 4 or 5 days we discussed about demo sessions only.
Yes.
Clear all of you.
Yeah.
Clear.
Yes, sir.
So tomorrow onwards, I'm going to start what? Configuration part. So regarding today's class, if anyone have any doubts, he can ask the questions. Is all of you understand my agenda? Next 100 days.
Yes.
Yes.
These are the topics I'm going to cover. If you have any doubts, you can ask the questions, please. Ayaj, any doubts?
So
No, sir. Thank you so much.
So I know here Vijaya.
Yeah.
So basically here I can see like there is a development side, admin side and CRM. So if we opt for admin and CRM, is it okay, or how we should learn all the topics?
So Vijaya, please concentrate on development side. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
CRM admin, everybody can do. That is not a big problem at all.
Okay. Okay.
You want more salary?
Of course, yeah. But like as I told, mine is completely finance background. In future, how
No
much?
problem at all. Maimuna, everything I will be taking care of.
Okay.
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 Don't bother
So-
about the programming. See, irrespective of your background, I'll give you an example here. It is not example. It was happened before COVID. Before COVID, one of my old student, his name is Sriram. Vijaya.
I'm hearing.
His age is 45 years.
Okay.
Okay, he is having 20 plus years experience in sales side.
Okay.
Sales. He's working as a sales manager in one of the private company in Hyderabad. He don't know what is ABCDs of computer, believe it or not.
Okay.
He don't know what is the spelling of computer also. Clear?
Okay.
Somehow he fed up with his job, and one of his friend suggesting him to join what? Salesforce. One fine morning he met me in the office. I have my own institute in Hyderabad. So he requested me, sir, this is my background. I don't know anything regarding computers. Okay. Can I understand Salesforce or not? Okay. He struggled a lot. After completion of the course, almost he attended more than 15 interviews. All interviews he failed. All interviews he failed.
Okay.
Ultimately succeeded in one of the interview. Okay, initially he joined as a junior developer with less salary.
Okay.
And after 2 years, he became a senior developer. I think after COVID, he's working as a team leader, I hope so right now.
Okay.
Point clear. It's
Yeah,
all
yeah.
about how
Yeah.
far you are going to work. That is important. Clear?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Irrespective of the practice, or irrespective of the background. Clear,
Sir,
don't
this
bother.
is regarding.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is regarding the time. So is there any way you can start the class by 8:30?
You want me to start the class at 8:30? Why?
Yeah, yes, because it is going to be too late here.
8:30 your time or 8:30 my time?
No, no, your time, because now you are starting at 9 o'clock, right?
Oh, okay. Because I had the session at 8 o'clock. So I will request him. I forgot. I will request them. Come down at
Okay.
7:30. 7:30 to 8:30 and 8:30 to 9:30 will take the class. Okay, don't
Sir,
bother.
I also want to morning session, sir. It is too late, sir. That
This
class.
is morning session only.
No, sir. Early morning, like 7 to 8, 7:30 to 8:30, like that.
See, my first session at 7:30, around 8 o'clock actually. But I share a request me to start at 8:30. That is why I have to prepone the session 8 o'clock batch to 7:30. Who is speaking here? Hello? Who is speaking?
Kamran, sir.
Mohammad Kamran. So you want me to start the class at 7 o'clock morning?
Yes, sir. Because we need to go my college, sir. So
Or otherwise you can come down in evening time, evening batch.
evening
Mohammed.
when will we start, sir?
Evening batch. Very soon I will start. Maybe next 20-25 days.
Next 25 days. Okay.
What is your college timings, Mohammed?
Sir, 9:30 to approximately 9:30 to 3:30. We need
9:30
to.
to 3:30. Okay,
Yes.
okay. Okay, if I prepone the time 8:30 to 9:30, is it okay for you?
Yes, sir. Okay. I will
Okay.
manage it.
Come down at 8:30.
Sir,
Okay.
Not
sir,
from
if it
tomorrow,
is,
day after tomorrow onwards.
Okay.
sir, if it is timing we are discussing, I've been waiting for this slot 9 to 10.
So 8:30 not possible for you?
Sir, 9 o'clock only possible.
What can I do? Aishwarya,
Yes.
Only 9 o'clock this batch as will start. No, they can change again 8 o'clock.
not 8 o'clock. They want me to start at 8:30.
No, 9 o'clock only. 9 to 10.
Aishwarya, what can I do?
So I think
if it is
probably we can, yeah, Revati, yeah,
Some
you can.
people not
No, if
possible
it
to
is
come
that,
at 8:30. Some people 9
if it is
o'clock.
that time,
What, Revati?
no. If it is that time, we can sleep. Here it is 12:33 night time.
I understand,
So
Revati.
that's why. So probably you already told that you are going to start an evening batch, right? Soon.
Yeah, evening batch, I will start at 6 o'clock. Evening 6 means morning for you at 7:30 around, right?
No, 8.
8:30.
8:30.
Yeah, time change.
2.5 hours. Is it
Two-
8:30
That
morning?
yeah.
is also fine, sir. But when are you planning to start the evening batch?
Because the date is not yet fixed, Aishwarya. Because
Okay.
they're almost ending stage of the syllabus. They are in admin part. And still I need to cover two more modules, CRM and Lightning.
Okay.
You need to wait another 20-25 days. And what I'm requesting is, in the meanwhile, you can please attend this batch. After that, you can change your timing at evening. No problem.
Yes. Yeah, we will try
That's
that.
better. Second time again, you can listen. No issues. What is that?
Okay.
Otherwise, we can have 8 to 9 also timing, not 7:30 or 8:30. 8 to 9 also we can have. If all are
Even I'm fine with 8 to 9.
It will be
Of
like
course, you
morning.
are fine with 8 to 9, but I had a batch at 8 o'clock.
Okay.
Running batch.
Okay.
That's the problem. If I am free, I don't mind to take the class at 8 o'clock.
Okay, fine.
But
sir.
already batch is running almost 2 months onwards.
Okay, sir. No problem then.
That's the problem.
So
And I'm
think,
requesting all of you, please come in at 9 o'clock.
Sure.
Because some people not possible to come at 8:30. Some people
Yeah.
requested at 9 o'clock. It's unnecessary mess up.
I
Please
think
continue.
majority wants to start the class at 9 o'clock, right? So then
Yeah, most
we'll
of the
go
people,
with 9.
9 o'clock. That's the reason. Mr. Mohammed Kamran,
Yes, sir.
which college he belongs to?
Shadan Engineering College.
Ratan, Lakdikapul,
Yes, sir. Pirancheru.
Divanjir, Lakdikapul Ladies College, I hope so, right?
No, yes. Lakdikapul ladies.
Oh, okay.
So at 30 is not possible, sir.
See, some people not possible to come down at 8:30. What can I do?
Yes, yes.
Okay, better to join a evening batch, Kamran. No issues.
Okay, sir. It is
Okay.
not fixed yet.
If
So
it is possible, because anyway, here, which year, final year or what?
yes, I am finally there.
Can you manage?
Yeah, I will manage, but my college is like biometric attendance. So we need to go in weekend 4 days, like
Okay.
in 1 weekend 4 days. So that's
You can,
problem.
I hope you can manage your lectures.
Yeah, I can manage, but live is very good, sir. It is not recording session is not good like me.
Okay. Thank
Sir,
you.
sir, this is Tamaya. Hi.
Yeah, Tamaya, go ahead.
Sorry, I mean, there's a power cut. I was about to speak. So regarding timings, actually, I waited for this 9 to 10 slot from long time. I know there are some slots going on.
Tamaya, don't bother. I'm not going to change your time. 9 to 10, no, it's fixed. Okay.
Okay,
Don't worry.
sorry. I mean, I work late night, so for me to wake up
I
early,
understand. Where are you from?
I'm in Vizag, sir. I work from home.
You're in Vizag. Okay.
Yeah, I work from home, but I
Part of
work
Vizag.
Madhurwada.
Madhurwada.
Yeah. So,
Fine, no problem. I'm not going to change the time.
okay,
9
thank.
o'clock.
No, I've been waiting for this slot for a long time. I know you have this 8 to 9 slot as well, but I was waiting for this one.
Because
So,
most of the people not possible to come down at 8:30. That's why I don't want to change.
yeah, thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you all. I'll catch you tomorrow same time at 9 o'clock.
Hi, Sainath. I want to speak to you like off the recording for 2 minutes.
Yeah. Tell me.
I mean, not in the forum. One-on-one
Okay,
kind
no
of.
problem. This is my number. You can call me.
Where is your number? Okay. Okay. I'll contact. At what time can I contact you?
Call me after completion of this class.
Okay, sure. Thank you.
Okay. Before I depart today, anybody have any doubts? No doubts. Thank you. I'll catch you tomorrow same time, guys. Thank you all.
Thanks.